In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off subscriber password authentication in your Beehiiv account. Whether you're looking to enhance the security of your subscriber access or simply want to streamline their login experience, I'll guide you through the straightforward steps to manage these settings effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Beehiiv account. If you're not already familiar with this, simply head over to the Beehiiv website and enter your login details to access your dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the design section. This is where you can manage various aspects of how your website looks and operates. From the design section, click on Website Builder. This area allows you to customize and secure your site further. Continue by heading over to Settings, Amaze, and then click on Security. The security settings are crucial for ensuring that user data and access are appropriately managed. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the Login section. This is where you can adjust how subscribers access your content. Now, Beehiiv has made this very intuitive. You'll find that by default, the subscriber password authentication option is enabled. This means that your subscribers must log in with a password to access your publication. However, suppose you wish to disable this feature and allow subscribers to access content using a different method. In that case, you can easily toggle the subscriber password login option to off. This action immediately changes how subscribers interact with your login page. Specifically, it will only offer the option for them to receive a magic link via email to gain access. This method not only simplifies the process for subscribers, but also maintains a secure way for them to log into your publication without needing a password. If at any point you decide to re-enable the password authentication, simply toggle that option back on and it will be active again. Beehiiv's system ensures that changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to worry about navigating away and losing your recent adjustments. Remember, choosing the right authentication method for your subscribers depends on your specific needs for security and accessibility. Offering password login might provide additional peace of mind, while Magic Link simplifies the experience for less tech-savvy subscribers. With everything set up, your login page behavior will adapt according to these choices, giving you full control over how subscribers access your valuable content. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to effectively manage subscriber password authentication in your Beehiiv account. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tips on making the most out of your digital publication. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.